Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pluto TV on Sony TV step by step clearly. To activate Pluto TV on your Sony TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your Sony TV and navigate to the home screen. Locate the Google Play Store application on your TV. Open the Google Play Store by selecting it. In the Play Store, use the search function to type in Pluto TV. Once you find Pluto TV in the search results, select it to open the apps page. Click on the Install button to download the app to your Sony TV. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, return to the home screen and find the Pluto TV app icon. Open the Pluto TV app by selecting it. Once the app loads, you will see a welcome screen. Select the option to sign in or activate. You will now see an activation code displayed on your screen. Using a smartphone or computer, open a web browser. Go to the activation website shown on your TV screen. Enter the activation code from your TV into the prompted field on the website. Click the Activate button to proceed. You may need to log in with your Pluto TV account, or you can create a new account if you don't have one. After successful activation, return to your Sony TV. Your Pluto TV app will refresh, and you can start streaming. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies on Pluto TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.